You could add items to your quick favorite menu. To access the quick favorites menu, you press Q while you're in the hotkey Q on your keyboard while you are in the 3D viewport, and you'll have a quick favorites menu. By default, nothing is available to it. So what you have to do, as it mentioned here, right click on buttons or widgets to add them to the quick favorites menu. So one thing I would like to add, for example, let's say, first of all, let's say I have a tourist. I missed. Let me Control Z to undo that. Let's say a tourist in here. And I'll delete the cube. So when you're modeling and you have a model that has a lot more edges and vertices, you want to basically see the wireframe on shaded. That might be an option that you want to have available. So the way you do it is you wireframe shows you kind of like an X-ray version of this when you do the wireframe. But if you want to see it on shaded, you can put it in solid, for example, and then you have to go to the viewport overlays, click on here, and then say, click on the geometry wireframe. I'll take off X-ray. So now you have the wireframe on shaded objects. And this again works on the different modes here, the shading, viewport shading options, whether it's material preview or rendered. So instead of having to click on the viewport overlays and always toggle this on and off, what you could do is right click on that widget, the check widget, and say add to favorites menu. Now, when you press Q, you could say wireframe, and you'll have that available. Now, if you want to remove an item from the quick favorites menu, what you could do is press Q, then hover over the item, right click on it, and say remove from quick favorite menu. And now when you press Q, it's gone.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.